Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through the quick and simple steps on how to change your industry on the LinkedIn app for PC, following the new update. Whether you've recently shifted career fields, want to align your profile with your current role, or simply need to refresh your information, adjusting your industry can make a big difference in how recruiters and connections view your profile. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once inside, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Me icon, which represents your profile. Go ahead and click on it. From there, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to an area where you can manage your account details, privacy preferences, and personal information. Next, click on the section called Account Preferences. Within Account Preferences, scroll until you find Profile Information. This is where LinkedIn stores your personal details, such as your name, location, and the industry you've selected. Click on Name, Location, and Industry. Now, under the Industry field, this is where you'll make your change. Simply choose the new industry that best reflects your current line of work or the sector you want to be associated with. LinkedIn provides a list of industries to pick from, so take a moment to select the one that matches your profession or career direction most accurately. After picking your new industry, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial because it ensures your changes are locked in and instantly updated across your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've successfully updated your industry on LinkedIn using the PC app. This small adjustment can enhance your visibility to recruiters, improve networking opportunities, and help your profile better represent your career path. If you've recently changed roles, moved into a new sector, or are building connections in a different field, updating your industry ensures you're showing up in the right searches and reaching the right audience.